Okay, so I just got the grinder put together earlier today, and I was starting to do some tests with it. I did have the pulley attached, but it was making a pretty bad noise, so I took it off to just see if it was the pulley or if it was the motor. And so I'll show you with just the motor. If we slowly turn it up, see, like we're at just under 40 right now. So around 40 it starts making the sound. And it doesn't look like it's super out of whack, but if you can see, when we turn it up to like 50, the sound just gets that much worse, and it's hard to see right now, but the table's starting to shake. And if I turn it up to 60, then you can see how bad the table's shaking. It doesn't start to run smooth-ish until 70 or so, but it's even then it's still. And if I go up to 100, well, now it's shaking, but it seems to run smooth, but it doesn't sound like I would expect it to sound. And like I said, at 60, I mean, it's just shaking everything. So I don't think this is normal, but I don't know what to do about it.